Hello, Mary Jane from Art Like That. Today I'm going to share a tutorial on painting roses with watercolor with several different colors. You will see how you can use the water and the paint mix to get the perfect petals. I hope that you paint along with me, and I hope that you enjoy this video. I'd love to hear your comments, and also I'd love it if you'd subscribe to my channel so I can create more tutorials like this for you. So thanks very much, and let's get on with it. As you can see, sometimes you need to remove some of the paint, and sometimes you have to add a little bit more water, and sometimes you lay down one color and then you lay down another on top. With the right consistency of water and paint, you create this soft petals. One thing that I've learned is that you can't be afraid if you practice in a sketchbook. So I would highly encourage you to have a scrapbook that you can make a mess if it happens, but also you will learn from the mistakes you make and you will get better. As you can see, sometimes you just put a little dab and then you put another little dab and suddenly you have a petal. But you can also lay down some paint and then add a little bit of water to it, and it gives a little bit of dimension to the petal. See there, I take off some of the paint, so I let it run as far as I want it to, and then I stop it when I want it to stop. And as you can also see, I'm picking different colors for almost every petal that I put down, and that color runs into the others. Now, one very important thing is you have to think about, you wouldn't want to put, say, blue in there unless you wanted a little bit of a purple rose. So you want to make sure that the colors you choose work together well. I suggest that when you put the centers in, you should wait a little bit for the petals to dry so that that color doesn't blend with all the petals. And also when it comes to doing the leaves, it's better if you wait till the roses are a little bit drier so that the green doesn't mix in with, you get a nice clean rose. Sometimes the green will mix in, and if the petal is a little bit wet, it may blend, but you can also remove that with your paintbrush and lessen the color mix. I'm using a slanted brush. It's actually one of my favorite brushes for painting petals. There's many ways you can use this brush. You see, you can use the tip to make nice fine lines. You can get a point at the end of your leaf or your petals, and by pushing down you can get the thickness that you want. This paintbrush is actually not an expensive one, and it's not sable hair, and I actually quite like that because sable hair is great, but you actually pull out quite a bit of water into sable hair, whereas you take a little less water with the synthetic. You've enjoyed this video. You'll see that there's a playlist of other tutorials that you can follow, and I hope that you have a look at those and have a go at painting those too, and come back again for more videos, and don't forget to subscribe.